Okay, so now what happens when you have negative numbers? So remember, just as in integers, we had both defined both x as well as negative x. So now let's say if I was to do whatever I was doing, 2x minus 3 whole square. Okay, so now these flip. Okay, and if you have one set that is flipped, you basically flip the entire row. Okay, so maybe I should have put these also. It would have made more sense. Alright, so basically once I flip this entire thing has to be flipped. So if you pause it, because it will take me some time, but let's not waste time, just pause it. So if I made it 2x minus 3, then this entire thing gets flipped. But this is 2x minus 3 times 2x plus 3. It's not 2x minus 3 whole square. So now I need to flip these also. Which means again this row has to be flipped fully. Pause it. Let's see. When I did 2x minus 3 here and 2x minus 3 here, this entire row got flipped. So whatever was the negative also got flipped again. So we are getting the 4x square, which we would expect. And we're getting a positive 9. It's not a negative 9. Okay? So that's a positive 9. And the x term is negative. So now we have minus 12x. Okay. So that's the a square. This is a minus b whole square. Will give you a square minus 2ab plus b square. Does this make sense so far? We can pause it. So in this video we'll see how we can use the algebraic tiles for factorization. So if you had an expression like x square plus 6x plus 8, so that's 1x square. By the way, x square is different from 2x. Okay, so x square plus 6x, I need 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6x and I have 8 ones. So the goal is to put this in a rectangle. If I can put this in a rectangle, then those are my factors. That's how I would do for regular numbers as well. And that's how I do here also. Okay. So of course I can't put it right under 6x because 2 will be left. So this is not the way. So I have to reorganize it in some way. If I did it like this, 3 here and 3 here, then I would need 9. And I don't have 9, I have 8. So 8 is 4 times 2. This is what we do in that little diamond method that we do. When we do the diamond method for factorization, we are looking at what multiplication would give me all these 8 ones in a neat rectangle. Okay, and then the result is the x that I have, x plus 4 in this case, times x plus 2. So that's the result. X plus 4 times x plus 2. Does that make sense? Any questions? It's fine?
No, good.
Okay. So let's look at another question. In this case, let's look at x square minus x minus 6. Okay, so that's x square. I just need 1 minus x. I don't have any of these. And then I have 6 negatives. Okay, so the question is now how do I arrange this in a rectangle? This doesn't look very straightforward. Yeah? So definitely you are going to need to basically add something, add zeros. Remember we were adding zeros. So this is a 0. A negative and positive together is a 0. So I can add zeros. So I need to get 6. So 2 3s are 6. So if I get 2 zeros in, then I'll have 3 of these. And we'll see if that works. 1, 2, 3. Then I need to have the positives here. So that also makes sense. One side is positive, one side is negative. Only then you will get negative multiplication. Otherwise, you will get positive multiplication and both sides were negative. So this, okay, that fits, right? So this is x minus 3 times x plus 2. Okay, so that result is x minus 3 times x plus 2. Is that clear?
Yes.
You can pause it. It's fine.